Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the most useful sentences in English. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga interuro zagufasha kuvuga neza Icyongereza. Niba utarakora subscribe, yikore nonaha mbere yuko dutangira. I must not go. I must not go. Ntabwo ngomba kugenda. You must not talk. You must not talk. Ntabwo ugomba kuvuga. He must not eat. He must not eat. Ntabwo agomba kurya. She must not come. She must not come. Ntabwo agomba kuza. It must not stop. It must not stop. Ntabwo bigomba guhagarara. We must not wait. We must not wait. Ntabwo tugomba gutegereza. They must not run. They must not run. Ntabwo bagomba kwiruka. I must not sleep. I must not sleep. Ntabwo ngomba gusinzira. You must not shout. You must not shout. Ntabwo ugomba gusakuza. He must not drive. He must not drive. Ntabwo agomba gutwara. She must not cry. She must not cry. Ntabwo agomba kurira. We must not fight. We must not fight. Ntabwo tugomba kurwana. They must not leave. They must not leave. Ntabwo bagomba kugenda. I must not forget. I must not forget. Ntabwo ngomba kwibagirwa. You must not lie. You must not lie. Ntabwo ugomba kubeshya. He must not steal. He must not steal. Ntabwo agomba kwiba. She must not hate. She must not hate. Ntabwo agomba kwanga. We must not lose. We must not lose. Ntabwo tugomba gutsindwa cyangwa se guhomba. They must not break it. They must not break it. Ntabwo bagomba kukimena. I must not be late. I must not be late. Ntabwo ngomba gutinda cyangwa se gukererwa. You must not be rude. You must not be rude. Ntabwo ugomba gushira isoni cyangwa se kutagira ikinyabupfura. He must not shout. He must not shout. Ntabwo agomba gusakuza. She must not talk loudly. She must not talk loudly. Ntabwo agomba kuvuga cyane. We must not waste time. We must not waste time. Ntabwo tugomba guta igihe cyangwa se kwangiriza umwanya. They must not touch it. They must not touch it. Ntabwo bagomba kubikoraho. I must not open it. I must not open it. Ntabwo ngomba kubifungura. You must not close it. You must not close it. Ntabwo ugomba kubifunga. He must not write here. He must not write here. Ntabwo agomba kwandika hano. She must not sit here. She must not sit here. Ntabwo agomba kwicara hano. We must not stand here. We must not stand here. Ntabwo tugomba guhagarara hano. They must not play here. They must not play here. Ntabwo bagomba gukinira hano. I must not call him. I must not call him. Ntabwo ngomba kumuhamagara. You must not answer. You must not answer. Ntabwo ugomba gusubiza. He must not ask. He must not ask. Ntabwo agomba kubaza. She must not help him. She must not help him. Ntabwo agomba kumufasha. We must not disturb them. We must not disturb them. Ntabwo tugomba kubabangamira cyangwa se kubaderanja. They must not laugh. They must not laugh. Ntabwo bagomba guseka. I must not speak now. I must not speak now. Ntabwo ngomba kuvuga nonaha. You must not go there. You must not go there. Ntabwo ugomba kujyayo. He must not stay here. He must not stay here. Ntabwo agomba kuguma hano. She must not cook now. She must not cook now. Ntabwo agomba guteka nona. We must not eat now. We must not eat now. Ntabwo tugomba kurya nonaha. They must not drink it. They must not drink it. Ntabwo bagomba kubinywa. I must not buy it. I must not buy it. Ntabwo ngomba kubigura. You must not sell it. You must not sell it. Ntabwo ugomba kubigurisha. She must not bring it. She must not bring it. Ntabwo agomba kubizana. She must not send it. She must not send it. Ntabwo agomba kubyohereza. We must not receive it. We must not receive it. Ntabwo tugomba kubyakira. They must not use it. They must not use it. Ntabwo bagomba kubikoresha. I must not keep it. I must not keep it. Ntabwo ngomba kubigumana. You must not break it. Ntabwo ugomba kubimena. He must not fix it. He must not fix it. Ntabwo agomba kubikosora. She must not check it. She must not check it. Ntabwo agomba kubigenzura. We must not plan now. We must not plan now. Ntabwo tugomba gutegura nonaha. They must not move. They must not move. Ntabwo bagomba kwimuka. I must not think. I must not think. Ntabwo ngomba gutekereza. You must not believe him. You must not believe him. Ntabwo ugomba kumwizera. He must not trust her. He must not trust her. Ntabwo agomba kumwizera. She must not follow him. She must not follow him. Ntabwo agomba kumukurikira. We must not forget this. We must not forget this. Ntabwo tugomba kwibagirwa ibi. They must not remember it. They must not remember it. Ntabwo bagomba kubyibuka. I must not be angry. I must not be angry. Ntabwo ngomba kurakara. You must not be sad. You must not be sad. Ntabwo ugomba kubabara. He must not be tired. He must not be tired. Ntabwo agomba kuba ananiwe. She must not be weak. She must not be weak. Ntabwo agomba gucika intege. We must not be lazy. We must not be lazy. Ntabwo tugomba kuba abanebwe. They must not be slow. They must not be slow. Ntabwo bagomba kugenda buhoro. I must not be afeared. I must not be afeared. Ntabwo ngomba gutinya. You must not be late again. You must not be late again. Ntabwo ugomba kongera gutinda cyangwa se kongera gukererwa. He must not be long. He must not be long. Ntabwo agomba kuba yibeshye. She must not be noisy. She must not be noisy. Ntabwo agomba gusakuza. We must not be careless. We must not be careless. Ntabwo tugomba kuba indangazi. They must not be rude. They must not be rude. Ntabwo bagomba kuba abashizi b'isoni cyangwa se abantu batagira ikinyabupfura. I must not be weak. I must not be weak. Ntago ngomba gucika intege. You must not be angry now. You must not be angry now. Ntago ugomba kurakara nonaha. He must not be here. He must not be here. Ntago agomba kuba hano. She must not be there. She must not be there. Ntago agomba kuba hariya. We must not be afeared. We must not be afeared. Ntago tugomba gutinya. They must not be late. They must not be late. Ntago bagomba gukererwa. I must not be careless. I must not be careless. Ntago ngomba kuba umunyaburangare cyangwa se indangazi. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.